different answers for number 1. Who wants to go put their answer on the board? All right, Philip. Have a different answer and you want to put it on the board? All right, Drake, go ahead. Have another different answer. Who has Philip's answer, the first one? Who has Drake's answer, the second one? 2. What's the difference between those two problems? I only noticed one thing. What do you see? Riley, what do you see? What's the difference?
Instead of making, like doing 4 times 4, making 2 the exponent of 4. And then 2 times 4.
Okay, so instead of saying 4 to the second power, they just said 4 times 2. Is that what you did? Do you want to change your answer? Okay. Remember yesterday we had the discussion that this 4 is raised to the second power, which means in expanded form, 4 times 4. Which, is it 8 or is it 16?
16.
I got Philip's answer. -4 and -2 for each prime. So translation's 2 units right. What does that mean I do?
You go over, you add them.
I add 2 to which value? The s. So -6 plus 2 is -4. Okay. And then for the y coordinate, 4 values or 4 units down would be -2. That's right. Well, what's on the board for us to do today? For today? Fractions. Because how do we become better at math?
Practice.
Very good. So this is going to be a very different type of practice assignment. Okay? So, this is going to be helpful. So far we have learned about exponents. So we have the 3 different forms, right? We know our exponent rule for 0 power. We know how to multiply and divide with the same bases. And we also know about power to power and negative exponents. So those are all the 6 things that we have done so far. All right? So for the practice sheet that we're going to do today, you're going to create it. You're going to create your very own. So on one sheet of paper, your job is to create a 24-question exponents practice sheet. So are you understanding what that means? You're going to create your own problems. Can you use some of the examples that's on here? You make up your own harder ones. And there needs to be 4 questions of each exponent. Given your paper to your partner to complete, and you have completed it. The last thing that you problems that you marked incorrect because you could make a mistake on your answer key and you need to discuss it and see who's correct. Okay? When you used your rule for power to development, this answer is correct. What Robbie is saying is, have not had the opportunity to trade and then answer and grade back, and I have to wait until after the quiz tomorrow.
Over the past 2 weeks, students have been learning about the different properties of exponents. They have created a graphic organizer for quick reference, learned different methods of simplifying exponential expressions, and developed a deep understanding of the properties by answering the question, why do these properties work? In today's lesson, students were asked to create their own set of problems to give to another student to complete and create an answer key for their assignment. This activity incorporates student voice and rigor by allowing them to create their own problems, differentiation by allowing them to work in their most comfortable ability level, informative processes by collaborating with a classmate about their solutions. I was really impressed with how well the students were able to complete this task, and I enjoyed seeing how excited they were about making up their own questions. They truly took pride and ownership in their work and created some very interesting and challenging problems, which led to some rich, in-depth discussions later.